Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 62,328 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. This is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It does come with two front doors, two rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, the number you're seeing up top, 100,308. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 62,328. Let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive Postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive Postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.